unique leisure with the Asfir 4x4. We sell all aluminum skid plates. They're 1/4 inch thick. They are galvanized steel brackets that bolt to the frame, and then we use Class 8 bolts to mount the skid plates to that. The whole entire process you can install in about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Everything's bolt up, no welding, no cutting, and no drilling. So it's super nice, super easy to install. So one really cool thing about our skid plates is the weight. Being that it's 100% aluminum, 1/4 inch thick, you get the strength of the steel without all that cumbersome weight involved in it. So an entire kit for a Toyota Tacoma, as an example, is right about 90 pounds, and that's for a 5-piece kit. For one plate of steel, it weighs more than that. So as far as an option goes between aluminum and steel, this is the way to go if you want to keep the weight down on your vehicle and keep your suspension running properly. We've been making skid plates for about 30 years now, and I feel like we probably make the best skid plate on the market. And if you would like to find out more information about Asfir 4x4, you can go to asfir.com, and then we'll have all of our products in there. You just enter in your vehicle and it'll pull up all the products that are available for that vehicle. Super easy and intuitive, and go check us out.